What's up mga ka-J-Vlog? Maring Ana here and this is another vlog takeover. So for today's video our topic is about iPhone 14 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max, yung price update within this month, January 2025. So this is just a quick update. Tara mga ka-J-Vlog, let's go! So, pag magpa-purchase kayo sa CMB Gadget or Kenya Telecom, meron na yung kasamang freebies, which is yung kanilang gift box. Alam nyo naman na siguro inclusion within that gift box. Aside from that, meron din silang may offer na cashback. And also, meron ng kasama another freebies is yung palabonutan nila. So, this is a separate freebies aside from cashback and also yung gift box. So, yung palabonita nila, kasama dito na yung cash, yung AirPods, yung charger, and also may chance pa kayo manalo ng Android phone. And pag bumisit pala kayo sa Kenya Telecom, ma-encounter nyo dito si Boss Eli, si Belen, si Ate Mary Rose. You don't have to worry guys kasi CMB Gadget and also Kenya Telecom Gadget staff is friendly din. Kung if ever na gusto niya lang naman mag-canvas, magtanong in regards on their unit, especially sa price, you can also go lang. Ayan guys, si Boss Ila yung i-encounter nyo mostly dito sa Kenya Telecom. Kenya Telecom is located sa 3rd floor V Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. So, akyat kayo sa elevator, and then 3rd floor, siyempre 3rd floor yung ipipress nyo, no? After that, dire-diretso lang kayo, and then makikita nyo na kagad yung structure or yung tarpaulin ng Kenya Telecom. So, first is yung 13 Pro Max. So, yung 13 Pro Max nila na 128 GB, that is 30,500. And then, yung 256 GB nila is 34,000. So, meron silang choices when it comes sa battery health, of course, and also sa colors. So, meron silang white, Shera Blue, Alpine Green, and then Graphite Black, and then white again. So, ito yung color na available sa CMB Gadget and also Kenya Telecom. Ito pa, meron pa silang gold dito. Battery health nito is merong 92, 80, 86, 86, 81, and surprise. Huwag kayo mag-alala guys, kasi if ever man na gusto nyo ng 100% battery, pwede nyo mag-ask ng assistance sa Kenya Telecom or CMB Gadget. Pwede nila kayong bigyan ng 100% battery. Pero, you don't have to worry also because this kind of battery, especially 80% na battery health, upwards hanggang 95 or 98 pa yan, still good pa rin naman yung gamitin yan, lalo na sa Pro Max version ni Apple. So, next naman is yung 14 Pro nila na 128 GB, that is 36,000, meron 90 battery health, 88, 89. Kung napapasin nyo, walang 128 na naka-display, pero magtanong pa rin kayo kasi may possible na meron silang stock nun, hindi lang siguro namin na ilabas. Pero yung 256 GB ni 14 Pro, that is 38,500. Yung 512 naman is 41,000 pesos. Sa 14 Pro, ang available na color nila is deep purple and also yung white. Ayan yung available na color nila when it comes sa 14 Pro ng Kenya Telecom and also CMB Gadget. So, sa Kenya Telecom naman na 14 Pro Max, ang 14 Pro Max nila na 128 GB, 41,000. And then yung 256 GB, that is 45,000. So, available na color nila is deep purple, space black. Dalawa lang yung available na color ng Kenya Telecom. Deep purple and space black. Meron silang iba't ibang battery health. So, let's try to check iPhone 14 Pro Max phone camera quality. Mag-open tayo ng isang unit na deep purple 128 GB, 86 battery health. So, i-check natin physically yung kanilang phone. And then, let's try to check din sa 13 Pro Max. Kunin natin yung Shera Blue since ito yung matunog na unit per color. So, this is 128 GB, 86 battery health. So, ito yung deep purple nila. So, 128 lang yun ate. So, sa battery health ng 14 Pro Max, 86%. Then, let's try to check yung camera quality ng 14 Pro Max. Yung warranty ito, gano'n? Ayan, maganda naman yung quality ng phone ng 14 Pro Max. Malinaw naman siya. Ayan. Sobrang linaw naman nito. Let's try naman yung back camera. Ayan yung ating 14 Pro Max. Sa mga gusto bumili sa Kingiel Telecom and CUMB Gadget, if ever na pumunta kayo sa Tiangge nila, second floor, pag marami pong tao doon, pwede kayong pumunta dito sa Kingiel Telecom. Pwede kayong assist nila Boss Eli, ni Belen, and also ni Ate Mary Rose. Sila lang naman yung mostly na makikita nyo din dito sa Kingiel Telecom. Since sa CMV Gadget, ang nagbabantay po doon is si Boss Mayet and also sila James and Alma. Let's talk about naman sa warranty ng Kingiel Telecom and CMB Gadget. So, sa warranty guys, 7 days replacement. Of course, siyempre hindi included doon yung may sira ang LCD, water damage, and software update. So, yun lang naman. So, siguro naman ilang beses yun ang narinig sa YouTube channel natin or ni J-Vlog when it comes dun sa information ng 7 days replacement nila. And meron din silang may offer na service warranty, which is yung 3 months service warranty nila. Doon na-cover yung mga natin na mouthpiece, speaker, mga ganong example. But you don't have to worry again. Pwede nyo i-physical check yung mga units nila before kayong magbayad. Payment method naman ng CMB Gadget and also Kingiel Telecom, they also offer home credit, credit cards. They also offer G-Gives. Ayan, yan yung mga types of payment method. Cash, Gcash, cards, debit card man yan. Pwede silang nag-accept sila ng ganyan. Sa delivery naman, they also offer cash on delivery sa nearby Manila. And when it comes naman sa mga customer nila outside Metro Manila, they offer LBC ship out. So, sa LBC naman, may require na down payment nila, maximum of 5,000 pesos. Yun yung amount na pwede nyo i-down payment pag gusto nyo mag-order sa CMB Gadget pag hindi po kayo nakalocated sa Metro Manila. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, ito yung mga available na unit ng Kingiel Telecom. Screenshot nyo na lang yung gusto nyo dyan na battery health and also yung kanilang color na gusto nyo. If spotted nyo is the purple, gold, alpine green, yan, Shera blue. Ayan, so screenshot nyo na lang dyan mga ka-J-Vlog. So that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. Yun lang naman yung ating quick update when it comes sa iPhone 14 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, and 14 Pro ng Kingiel Telecom. Again, kung gusto nyo mag-purchase sa kanila, pwede din kayo i-visit yung kanilang page, which is yung CMB Gadget, yung may blue check po. If ever na nagda-doubt kayo, pwede nyo silang i-video calls. Meron din mga staff na magre-reply sa inyo doon if ever nag-message kayo. Huwag nyo lang sana agad-agad sila makakapag-message. Siyempre, meron din mga ina-assist yan na customer dito sa kanilang store. Kaya, hintayin nyo lang kasi magre-reply at magre-reply din man sila sa inyo. So, that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. This is Maring Ana and thank you so much for watching.